In this training video, we will cover the contests feature of Insights and learn how they work. Contests are great ways to boost sales, encourage staff member engagement, and create a friendly competition at the business. Once the contest is over, Insights will pick a winner. It's good to encourage business owners to have some sort of a physical prize to help make it feel that much more like a real contest. It will also help to motivate participation among staff. Let's dive right in and log into the Insights app as the business Willow Hill Wellness and help them create a contest that will boost product sales. To create a contest, go to the main menu and then tap Settings. Here from the Settings page, tap the trophy icon to choose Contests at the bottom right. We can see that this business already has some contests set up, as shown here on the main Contests screen. Let's start to create a contest. The first step is to choose the contestant type. If the contest will put employees against each other, tap the person icon. If this is a multi-location account and the contest will put locations against each other, tap the storefront icon. For this example, the business wants to put employees up against each other, and we will tap on the person icon to continue. Next, choose the contest type. Ticket raffle will always be the default here, and with this, qualifying staff members will earn tickets once they reach a set amount that is based on the metrics used for the contest, and the winner will be drawn at random. This means that any employee can win the contest, but the more they sell, the more tickets they will earn, increasing their chances of winning. With ranked competition, staff members will be ranked in a certain order based on the one metric that is used for the contest, and the employee that did the best wins. This contest is going to be a ticket raffle, and I will keep that chosen and tap Next. Now the system wants to know if this contest will target all the employees of the account, which is going to include all locations for multi-location accounts, or is it going to target the employees of one specific location? If this were a single location, the only option we would see here is account. This contest will be for one location only. Tap Location, and then tap Select Location to choose the correct one from the drop-down list. Once the location is chosen, tap Next. Here, enter the contest name, which is Summer Product Contest for this example. The description is required and for internal use for the business and only seen here in the settings of the contest. Tap Next to continue. Now we're going to pick a date range for the contest. With the ticket raffle contest, it is going to calculate every single day, and every employee that is a contestant will start at 0 the beginning of every day. This contest runs for 4 months, from May through August, but ticket raffle contests can run for any time frame. From here, start by choosing the year, which will be the current year. And then choose the month, which will be May for this contest. And then the start date, which is May 1st. After that, go through the same steps to choose the end date, which is August 31st. Choose the year, the month, and then the last day of the month. Tap Next to continue. Here, we have to choose how many metrics are involved in this contest. Ticket raffle contests can have up to 3, and this contest will use 1. It's great to use 2 metrics just to make it a little bit more challenging and have different metrics and give a different number of tickets to each metric that are added to the contest. With 1 selected, tap Next to continue. And this is where we set up this metric for the contest. The system asks, which metric is used to award tickets? Tap on Select Metric, and tap on the correct one from the drop-down, which is product sales for this example. Next, the system asks, is it better for the metric's value to be higher or lower? The default is higher, and we'll keep it for this example. An example of when a business would want to have a metric be lower is something like average wait time or average service duration. Then enter in how much contestants must get over, which is the sales number contestants must reach in order to earn a ticket. For this, we will enter in 30, which means that contestants will have to sell at least $30 in product a day to earn a ticket. Then tap yes or no to answer. Can tickets be earned more than once in a day? When set to no, contestants will only receive one ticket a day, even if they doubled or tripled the contest sales. When set to yes, a contestant gets a ticket for every $30 they do in product sales. We will set it to yes for this example. For how many tickets are awarded, 1 is the default, but we can tap on it to change it. A really great way to show employees the value of selling products and how important that is to the business, as well as the impact that can have on an employee's paycheck, is to award them with a higher number of tickets for contests that include product sales. This business wants to give employees 10 tickets every time they reach that $30 product sales threshold. Once everything is set here, tap Next to move on to the last step. In this final step, we can choose a qualifier. A qualifier will only allow employees to enter the contest if they meet the qualifications. This can be used as a way to make the contest more challenging. One example of an excellent metric to use as a qualifier is average retail per client. This business wants to make sure that the only employees that are eligible for this contest are service providers. We can add a qualifier of service sales net to do this. Tap yes, and then tap Next. First answer, which metric is the qualifier? Tap on Select Metric, and tap on the correct one from the list, which is service sales for this example. Next, the system asks, is it better for the qualifier's value to be higher or lower? We will leave this set to higher. And last, enter in the number contestants must get over in order to qualify for the contest, which is $80 for this example. Tap Next to continue. Here we can review the contest settings, which lists all the steps we just went through, and can tap the pencil icon to make any changes now or in the future. One thing to be aware of is that when editing a step, you will have to go through all the other steps after it to save the changes and finish. This contest is all set, and we can tap Finish to complete. The app will ask us to confirm that we want to create the contest. Tap Yes. The app notifies us that the contest has been saved. Tap OK. This takes us back to the main contest page, and now the contest can be seen under the active contests. Notice that raffle contests are separated from ranked contests, and we can see this contest is under the active section. That just means this is an active contest that's currently happening. There will also be a section that shows completed contests for those contests that have finished recently. There is also an archive category for contests in here, and that means it happened in the past. Businesses can archive a contest after it's been completed. Now, just like with goals, we can tap on a contest here to view the contest info by clicking the info icon. We can edit the contest settings by clicking the pencil. And click the trash can to delete the contest. Clicking the star will show the winners, and we will get to this shortly. First, we'll want to take a look at how contests display on the metrics area of the app. Tap the main menu icon in the top left, and then tap Metrics. The contest's setup will determine where it will show up in metrics, and there are a few different ways we can view the contest. One way is to tap into the specific location the contest was created for. Other ways would be by drilling down into the metrics or using the flash menu. Here is the contest. The number next to the ticket icon represents the total number of tickets earned by all employees so far. Tap on the downward arrow to view a drop-down of the 1st through 5th contestants and how many tickets they individually have. When looking at a specific employee, the contest information will only show for that one employee. This is how an employee with a stylist user type would view their results for a contest. And if they have access to view other employees, they can swipe left to right and see who has the most tickets or see where they rank. Now, when it comes time to pick a raffle winner, we will go back to Settings. Tap the main menu icon and tap Settings, and then tap Contests. We will tap on the contest to draw a winner, and then tap on the star to check out the results. From the results page, we can see a list of contestants and how many tickets they have earned so far. If the business has more than 20 employees, the results will show the top 10 and the bottom 10 initially. To view the contestants in the middle, tap Show All at the top. To pick a winner, tap Draw Winner at the top, and the system will automatically pick a winner and confirm that the winner is valid. The system will ask this because there are times when certain job roles should be excluded from the contest, such as managers and owners. We can tap No to draw again, or Yes to move on. The app will notify us that the contest winner has been saved. Tap OK. If this contest should have a second place winner, we can tap on the winner's name to draw another. Just keep in mind that the winner cannot be changed once the contest end date has passed. At this point, the business wants to notify the winner, and how they do that is up to them. There isn't any type of notification that goes out to the contestants to let them know who won. It's really a chance for the business to be creative with communicating the results of the contest. Next to cover is creating a ranked contest. This business is starting a ranked competition contest for service sales. To create a ranked competition contest, from here, tap the arrow at the top left to go back to the main contests page. First step, choose the contestant type. This contest will put locations against each other. Tap the storefront icon to continue. Next, we'll choose the ranked competition contest type, and then tap Next. Since this contest is putting locations against each other, the only option we'll have in this step is to choose Account. Tap Next. Next, enter the contest name and the description. Tap Next to continue. Now pick a date range for the contest. This is different than what we saw with the ticket raffle contest, and with this ranked competition contest, it can run for a day, a week, a month, quarter, or year. This contest runs for the current quarter. In the app, tap on the Q for quarter and then choose the year. Since we chose quarter for the date range, we can only click on the actual months that start at quarter, and once I tap on the starting month, the system automatically chooses the end date of the quarter, which is very convenient. Tap Next to continue. Now we're going to choose the metric that will be used to rank contestants, and a ranked competition can only have one metric added here, unlike ticket raffles. Choose Service Sales Net. Next, the system asks, is it better for the metric's value to be higher or lower? We will keep Higher chosen for this example. Tap Next to continue. In this step, we can choose a qualifier, just like with the ticket raffle. This business doesn't want to add a qualifier to this contest, but as mentioned before, it is a great way to make it a little bit more challenging, especially if there are some fun prizes that can be won at the end. Tap Next to continue. Here, we can review the contest settings, which lists all the steps we just went through, and can tap the pencil icon to make any changes. Tap Finish to complete. The app will ask us to confirm that we want to create the contest. Tap Yes. The app notifies us that the contest has been saved, and tap OK. Now the contest can be seen on the main contest page under the active ranked contests. And when we tap on it, we will see those same options to edit the settings and view the results. Let's take a look at this contest on the metrics page. Tap the menu icon in the top left and then tap Metrics. For this contest, we are going to tap into the specific location the contest was created for. Here we can see the ranked competition contest towards the top of the screen. Tap on it to view a list of the 1st through 5th contestants. Since this contest is for all locations, we can view all locations and how they're doing in the contest by swiping left or right. When the contest ends and the business is ready to announce the winner, they will come to the results page. Tap the menu icon and tap Settings. Next, tap Contests and then tap on the contest to view the results. Let's check out the results and tap on the star for this contest. The results page will show all the locations, where they rank, and their contest metrics. Notice there's not that Draw Winner button at the top here. This is because of how the ranked competition is designed. The contestant in the number 1 spot is the winner. And if the business wanted to have 2nd and 3rd place winners, it's just the 2nd and 3rd locations that's showing on the results list here. And here are a couple of final tips on contests. Insights will not send any type of notification to a winner, and the business can decide how they want to notify their employee that wins a contest however they deem appropriate. Stylist users, which have the lowest level of access out of all the user types, do not have access to this settings page in the Insights app and won't be able to view, edit, or add goals, targets, or contests. They are only able to view contests on the metrics page, and again, what they can actually view there will depend on how the location configured the settings about the data employees can see when logged in. And that wraps up contests. That's it for this training video. Thanks for watching.